Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. This is kind of a surprise delivery. I wasn't expecting it until tomorrow. However, USPS knocked on my door, signature required on a Sunday, and here it is. Guys, I want to take a quick shout out. Thank you to the channel members. Thank you all. And anybody coming through to check out my knife and EDC content. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch. If you're ever so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. So this is an interesting package. I ordered this total impulse buy because it was on sale right around Black Friday. And you can tell from the shipper there, it's from QSP. Get some more QSP swag that they're really loading up on. So we got the QSP Q, square QSP sticker, big round Q, cleaning cloth, and quiet carry. We'll put that off in a giveaway. And then this is, if I'm not mistaken, the large IQ. The large IQ is a knife that I had kind of seen for a while. It was one of the first quiet carries that came out. It's a flipper only knife, which, as you guys know, is not my normal jam. However, this is, I want to say, a $310 knife, maybe $297, around the same price is all quiet carries. Well, this guy, there were two variations in sale, and last night during Off the Edge, these were still available, a few of them, and they're $149. So 149 bucks for a quiet carry IQ was enough to make me want to check one out. This is just an unboxing. It is and appears to be perfectly centered. You've got a lock bar with internal milling, which I like, which should make it go in and out of pocket pretty easily. Ironically, I've got the drift in my pocket. Goes in and out of pocket fine with that titanium clip. Maybe not as easy as the drift, but very easily. This is the black tie. They had the black and the stonewashed. Now they just have the black. But you can see, hopefully, that micro milling on that scale. Smooth scale on the back. T8 hardware. I think the clip's T6. You've got the four little stylistic quiet carry identifying marks, and you've got this stonewashed M390 blade. Now this is the large IQ, guys. This is the one that's on sale. They also have the regular IQ, but for 149 bucks, wow, I've got some weird slope going on here. I apologize, guys. But for 149 bucks, I thought it was worth a try. I'm going to let it break in, play with it for a while, carry it, do a full review, overview on it, let you guys know what I think. The blade is very stable or sterile, stonewashed. You've got quiet carry here. You've got M390 here. Let's get a piece of paper, make sure it cuts. You've got this kind of sheep's footy blade, I guess you'd call it. Some people might say modified reverse tanto. Very slicey, guys. It hadn't been on a strop yet. Definitely a little thicker grind, thicker blade geometry than on my drift and on my 9. But that's by design. And I'm also not cutting it that well. I'm not pulling it through the paper. So at the end, I'm ripping it. That's cutter error. Long, straight blade. feels really good. Again, they use this barrel hardware that I really like. I'm not sure. I'm guessing that might be a reversible clip since it goes from the inside. I don't know that. It might not be. I can't really tell until I take it apart. But frame lock, very nice jimping on the flipper tab. Very positive deployment. When it's closed, it's very much a gentleman's knife. Give you just a couple of quick size comparisons for the large because I wasn't aware how big it was. Let's look at it next to the Baby Banter. Formax Scout. The regular Drift. So it's a, it's a full-size, I'm going to call it a full-size knife. Let's look at it just next to a bug out. I usually have it out here, but I put it up last night. So it's a little bit longer than the bug out. Does not look like a bug out. Oh, excuse me, guys. That was a little elch. Does not look like a bug out. Does not look like anything else, really. You can tell it's got thick blade stock, flat grind, very sharp. I'm going to rub it across the strop before the review. Keen that edge up. But yeah, guys, the Quiet Carry Large IQ. This is just an unboxing. But they are, or were, till I guess sold out. The black version, as of last night, was still available on Quiet Carry's website, $149.95. It wasn't a knife I would have bought for $295 or $300 because it's just not my normal jam. But for $150, I've been pleased with every Quiet Carry that I own, and I own, I think, 4 now. So I'll do a Quiet Carry video once I get this one in the Drift reviewed, kind of give you an overall of my thoughts, my experiences with the brand. But guys, thank you for watching my Sunday unboxing. Kind of a rarity here. That's why the camera's kind of at a slope, because I don't usually record unboxings on Sunday. But I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you all more than you know. All that I ever ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.